is
is
Quina
na
Crisbel
bebe
Timbungan.
na
How old are you? How old are you?
I
Do not play your tongue. How old are you?
I think it old.
I am 3 years old. Where do you live? Where do you live?
Hmm?
You are 3 years old. I live
I live
in
in
Santa
Tata
Maria
Baya
Tanggup
Tangkuk
City. What's your name?
I Queen
Patay. Queen Crisbel. Nah, my name is Queen Crisbel. What's your name?
but this is not Queen.
I'm Queen Queen. I'm Queen Queen. What's your name?
I took on.
Oh, what's that? What's your name? I'm not asking how old are you. What's your name?
I took on.
What is your name?
Oh, good girl.
I am
Oh,
Queena
you know,
Crisbel
uh,
Timbungan. How old are you?
TV.
Let me see your tree. Let me see your tree. Smile, smile. Ina, hello everyone.
Hello, Mom.
How are you?
How are you?
Ina,
Daddy?
Daddy?
I think go.
Daddy, why you are not answering my call?
Ngali go.
I want to call you Daddy.
I think I'm maling.